If you have been uploading your videos directly as public, you might be making a huge mistake. And that will be the reason why you are not getting more views on it. Now, follow me in this video. Let me show you how to upload your videos the right way on YouTube and get views. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. On this channel, I share tips and strategies that help small YouTubers to grow and succeed here on YouTube. So if this is what you're interested in, please kindly like and share this video. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below and also turning on the notification bell so that YouTube gets to notify you when next I drop an amazing video like this. So when you want to upload your videos on YouTube, you will see different options that will pop up. You will see private, you will see unlisted, you will see members only, you will see public, and you also see schedule. These options have their own functions. And among these options, you need to choose just one. Now, a lot of small YouTubers upload their videos using the public option, which is not really bad in itself, okay? After all, at the end of the day, you will still upload your video to public. But let me tell you what happens when you immediately upload your video directly to public. When you upload your videos immediately to public, it will not give the YouTube algorithm time to process your video. The YouTube algorithm needs time to understand your video title, your thumbnail, your video description, and even the YouTube SEO tags that you use for your videos. Without knowing this fact, YouTube will show your videos to the wrong audience, and this will kill your click-through rates and your watch time. Remember, not everyone on YouTube is actually interested in watching your videos. So whether you are sharing a lifestyle content or you are making educational video, YouTube needs to know exactly the kind of audience that are interested in watching your videos. So please stop uploading your videos directly to public when you immediately upload your videos on YouTube, because this will hurt your channel's visibility and also your videos performance, because your videos might be shown to the wrong audience. Now, here is an example. If you create football content and YouTube recommends your videos to someone like me who has no interest in sports, I'm likely to scroll past that video, and this will affect your video's performance because your video was recommended to the wrong audience. I hope you understand now. Now, someone might ask, okay, which option should I go for? Well, let me take you to my YouTube Studio dashboard and let me explain this practically for you to understand. I am going to use this particular video for this tutorial. So first of all, when you want to upload your video, try using the desktop version of YouTube Studio, which is easy to access using the Chrome browser of your mobile phone. This medium will give you more features to apply to your video before you hit the publish button. But if you upload your video using the YouTube app, which is most time faster to upload, make sure to go back to the desktop version and apply some features which you can't see on the YouTube app. For example, feature like publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This feature helps your audience know that you've uploaded a new video. You can only see this particular option using the desktop version. So now let's break down the visibility settings when uploading. So here you have private. Private means only you can see the video. You can share it with specific people by email, but it's not visible on your channel or searchable. Down here you have unlisted. Unlisted also means anyone with a link of the video can watch the video, but it won't appear publicly on your channel. This is good if you want feedback before going live. You can share it with your friends. You can also share it with your WhatsApp group so that they can watch your video and give you feedback. And you can also leave a pinned comment under the output of your video before making it public. So here we have public. I've already explained why uploading directly to public is not the best move, especially for small creators. And the last one is schedule. This is the best option for small YouTubers. I will recommend this because it gives YouTube time to study your video, time to understand your video, match it with the right audience, and build momentum. Okay? And let me walk you through on how to schedule your video. This is the best option for new YouTubers. It gives the YouTube algorithm enough time to study your video and find the right audience for you, okay? Now click on schedule option. Let's say today is 7th May 2025. Don't schedule the video for the same day. Instead, choose a future date like 8th of May or 9th or even sometimes a week after. But let me pick 9th of May at 5 p.m. So once you've set your time and date, YouTube will take care of the rest. You don't have to be online when your video goes live. This saves you stress and allow you to batch upload more videos in advance. In fact, you can even schedule 5 videos in a day and have them go out consistently. This also gives the YouTube algorithm enough time to find the perfect audience for each video you schedule. Okay, so that is it for this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And also click on the notification bell so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. And you will get notified when next I drop an amazing video like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.